Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue with the types of natural vegetation found in India, and we are going to read about thorny bushes, mountain vegetation and mangrove forest. And then the last topic for today will be why are forests necessary. Firstly, let us read about thorny bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the dry areas of the country. The leaves are in the form of spines to reduce loss of water. Cactus, khair, babool, kikar are important and are found in the states of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, eastern slopes of Western Ghats and Gujarat. So children, thorny bushes is another type of natural vegetation found in India. And this type of vegetation is found in the drier areas of our country. Drier area means the desert region of our country. Now, we all know that in desert area there is scarcity of water. There is shortage of water. And that is why children, plants that grow in these areas, they do not have leaves. Their leaves are modified and they are in the form of spines so as to reduce the loss of water. Now, examples of this type of vegetation is cactus, khair, babool and kikar, and it is found in the states of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, eastern slopes of Western Ghats and Gujarat. Now next is mountain vegetation. A wide range of species is found in the mountains according to the variation in height. With increase in height, the temperature falls. At height between 1500 meters and 2500 meters, most of the trees are conical in shape. These trees are called coniferous trees. Cheer, pine and deodar are important trees of these forests. So children, by the name itself, it is clear that this type of vegetation is found in the mountain areas. There are different varieties of plants which are found in the mountain areas. So there are different varieties of plant life which are found in the mountain areas according to the variation in height. So as we go upwards on the mountains, we will find more varieties of plant life. Then as the height of any place increases, the temperature falls. We have already studied about this, that if a place is situated at a height, then the temperature of that place is low. It is very cold in that place. So at a height between 1500 meters to 2500 meters, most of the trees that are found in mountains will be conical in shape or they will be cone-like. And these type of trees are known as coniferous trees. So cone-like trees are known as coniferous trees. And examples of mountain vegetation are cheer, pine and deodar. As you can see, images of mountain forest is also given over here. You can see the trees are more of cone-like. Now next we will read about mangrove forest. These forests can survive in saline water. They are found mainly in Sundarbans in West Bengal and in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Sundari is a well-known species of trees in mangrove forest, after which Sundarbans have been named. So children, mangrove forest survives in saline water or salty water. So mangrove forest can live under the salty water also. And these are mainly found in the Sundarbans area, which is in West Bengal, as well as these trees are found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And lastly children, Sundari is a well-known species of the trees which is found in mangrove forest, and Sundarbans have been named after this Sundari tree. Now lastly, why are forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants bind the soil, thus they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, lac, honey, gum, etc. Forests are natural habitat of wildlife. So children, there are a lot of reasons as to why forests are important to us. First and foremost, trees release oxygen, and as we all know, without oxygen we cannot survive. Then plants also absorb carbon dioxide and maintains the temperature of the earth. Then the roots of the plants and trees bind the soil so that it prevents soil erosion. What is soil erosion? When the top layer of the soil is washed away due to the action of wind and water, that is known as soil erosion. So the roots of the plants help to bind the soil together, and thus it prevents soil erosion. Then forests also provide us with many other things, like they provide us with timber, means wood for furniture. Then it also provides us with fuel, wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, lac, honey and gum. Now children, gum is a kind of thick liquid or is a kind of sap that comes out from the trunk of the gum trees. Then lac is a red color liquid or secretion found on the trunk and branches of some trees. And lastly, forests are also the natural home or habitat of many animals and birds. So these are some of the reasons why forests are necessary. Now, natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like Van Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. Now children, many a times we cut down these forests in large amount for making buildings, houses, farmlands, etc. So deforestation children is not good for our planet. Cutting down of trees in large quantities is not good for our planet. Instead, we should try to plant more trees and we should try to save the old ones. Now, for that children, we can have special programs like Van Mahotsav. It is a program which was started in the year 1950 to celebrate the importance of saving and growing forest. So, Van Mahotsav is celebrated every year in the first week of July, and these types of programs will help in making our earth green. So children, with this we have completed today's portion. Now please revise the lesson, and just in case if you have any doubt, please message me on Campus Care. I will see you all in the next class. Thank you children.